ZGX Technology Co., Ltd., is a high-tech enterprise engaged in the research, development, production, and sales of yacht accessories. It has more than 10 years of history and has experience in making yacht accessories. Its headquarters and R&D base are located in beautiful China. After years of development and reform, the warehousing R&D center, domestic trade and international trade were the core. It owns invention patents, a number of new utility patents, and a number of appearance patents. It has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, obtained a number of international certifications. Products are mainly exported to Europe, the United States, Australia, and Southeast Asia. The company has developed yacht supporting products, companies that truly meet customer needs, closely tracking the characteristics of technology and industrial development. Yacht supporting products ticks and continuously optimizing yacht supporting products. We provide the best products and services. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to talent-oriented and honest operation, combining advanced technology, management methods, and corporate experience has helped specific reality. The company has improved its management level, manufacturing quality so that they can compete in a fierce market. Always adhered to competitiveness petitions to achieve rapid and stable development of enterprises. The company has developed yacht supporting products that truly meet customer needs. Closely tracking the characteristics of technology and industrial development. Yacht supporting products ticks and continuously optimizing yacht supporting products. Use the best products and the best service.